Welcome to the School of Creative Arts, where coffee is a must, sleep is optional, and everyone expresses themselves through their art. Let's meet 12 creative students trying to survive art school in the big city. Meet Pablo. He's a painting major. He always has paint stains on his clothes, and he's confident that his abstract art will change the world someday. This is Petra. She's a sculpture major. She's a sculptor. She sculpts models from clay with her hands. Here's Charlie. He's a drawing major. He sketches people in his sketchbook on the subway every day. Meet Penny. She's a graphic design major. She designs coffee shop menus for fun. She color corrects her Instagram photos for 3 hours. She has strong opinions about fonts. She thinks the Comic Sans font is a crime against humanity. This is Felix. He's a fashion design major. He treats the hallway like a fashion runway. He makes clothes out of garbage bags and calls it sustainable fashion. He also judges everyone else's fashion choices. Here's Anna. She is an architecture major. She builds scale models at 3 a.m. She dreams in blueprints and building codes. Meet Alex. He's an animation major. He sees life at 24 frames per second. He also sketches ideas for an animated film he's developing during boring lectures. This is Phoenix. She's a photography major. She carries a camera everywhere, and sometimes she can take over 500 photos just to get one perfect shot. Here's Diana. She's a theater major. She speaks in Shakespearean quotes. She practices monologues while waiting for coffee, and she's always rushing to an audition off campus. Meet Riley, a music major. She hears melodies and everyday sounds, and she's always listening to music on her headphones. This is Drew, a dance major. He stretches in public places and treats the library like a dance studio, and somehow he makes walking to class look like dance choreography. Let's take a look at Critique Day at Art School, the day where students present their work, and professors give their honest and sometimes brutal opinions. Here's the campus coffee shop. Here the art students survive on espresso and existential crises. Felix designs new outfits. Anna builds sugar packet structures. And everyone pretends to understand conceptual art. It's 3 a.m. and everyone's in the 24-hour studio. Pablo is painting in the dark. Petra is critiquing her own sculpture. Phoenix is photographing everyone's exhaustion. And Drew is choreographing his mental breakdown. Finally, on gallery opening night, everyone presents their work to the public. Students dress up. Felix judges everyone. Parents pretend to understand abstract art. And everyone is discussing artistic vision. Living in the big city makes everyone's art better. The chaos of the city, the inspiration they find on their daily subway commute, the overpriced coffee, and the tiny apartments. It all becomes part of their creative vision. What kind of artist are you? Tell us in the comments. Like and subscribe for more English learning adventures.